everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into QNB Credit Card Account. Simply follow the instructions and keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address field that appears at the top of the screen, go ahead and type in www.qnbbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. In order to log into your credit card account, you'll need to first go ahead and click on the login button in the top right hand corner, which will bring up a pop-up. Type in your online banking login information, that is your login ID in the first text field, and then head over to the next field to type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password for your online banking account. If you want to double check your password, click on this little eye icon in the right corner. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet, you should click on this enroll link and follow the instructions to register yourself. Finally, after typing in your credentials correct, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your online banking account for QNB Bank. Simply go ahead and click on the credit card tab from the home page and you'll end up in your QNB credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.